And good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a padlock, a very small padlock. I'm having a hard time pronouncing it, so I'm not going to try. This is a Brazilian lock. The dimensions are, it's a 30 millimeter or 13/16 shaft, I guess. Made in Brazil. Also sent to me by Starry Lock in his last package. I figure I'll knock out a couple of padlocks before I get into the challenge locks. So, further ado, I go. It's a the key is self-retaining. It's a cool lock. It's a little bit difficult, really. All right, it's a couple of clicks out of 1, click out of 2, and movement on the core. Excuse me. This is also, I'm not sure which case this is out of, but this is 15 thousandths. I really like that this set. Okay. You had 1, you had 2, nothing on 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just trying to count the pins, sorry. Back to the beginning. 1, little click. 'I think it is a 5-pin core. It was 2. I guess if I was smart, I'd turn on the light. Sorry. Don't know how good it is. My other light burnt out completely. Not the bulb, but the whole light. I don't know what happened to it. 2. Alright, start from the beginning here. That was 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-pin core. Start from the rear. 1, 2, 3, Just throwing me off, sorry. Beginning. I'm going to start in the front. One. Okay, a little movement on the core there. Got a very tight spring in here. Two, three, four, five. Got to hold this just in the middle of the spring tension and just a little bit more with the tensioning wrench, so it's a little difficult. Cool little lock though, tell you. One, two, three. Come on, baby. You didn't do this to me before. Or did you? Starting all over. There you go. Quick out of one. Quick out of two. Nothing out of three. Quick out of four. Five. Back to the beginning. One. Quick out of two. Quick out of three. Four. Tension wrench. Damn it. Five. Six. And I'm open. I like this lock a lot. It's a good little lock. I don't know how you pronounce that really. Brazilian lock though. PAPAIZ. Am I doing that right? PAPAIZ? I'm sorry, I didn't even show you the beating on the key. PAPAIZ. No way of getting it, but very, very cool lock. Thank you, Starry Lock, for sending this to me. I'm going to start working on the challenge locks now. Did you open this? Leave me a comment and let me know if you've opened this one. This one's a challenge. This one's kind of hard. It's a beautiful lock. I'm going to be passing it on to someone else, though, if that's okay. Okay. What's it say on the top there? Some Inca Springs, PAPAIZ, Brazil. Beautiful lock. Beautiful. Okay. Trying to slow down on the picking. I just can't help myself. Please let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. And if you guys could hit the subscribe and like button, I'd really like that. Thank you. I'm gone.